Good morning, children. Good to see you again. My name is Auntie Olivia, and today we're going to be looking at the subject mathematics. We're still on the same topic that says perimeter and area. Last week we looked at perimeter and area, and our subtopic was on perimeter of a rectangle. But today our subtopic is going to be on perimeter of a square. Now, moving on, the last class we talked about what is perimeter. We defined what perimeter was, and we said the perimeter is the total distance around a figure. We also talked about how perimeter is measured, and we learned that perimeter is measured by centimeter, in short form cm, is measured by meter, in short form m, and in kilometer, in short form km. Now, what is a square? A square is a shape with four equal sides. A square is a shape with four equal sides. The length or size of a square are all equal. As you can see the diagram on the board, you have this dash, 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 denoting that all sides of the square are equal. Unlike in a rectangle, we were told that the lengths of the rectangle are equal to each other, while the breadths are equal to each other. But in the case of a square, all sides are equal, and we do not have any such thing as breadth. We only have lengths. So here we have all lengths or sides of a square are all equal. Now, how do you find the perimeter of a square? The formula for finding the perimeter of a square is 4 times L, L which stands for length. 4 times L is equal to 4L, okay? Or L plus L plus L, you can see there are 4 L's, L plus L plus L plus L, which is equal to 4L. Now with this, we are going to make it more practical by taking one example. Let's say that we have a square whose length is 8 centimeters. Find the perimeter of this square. Now, given the formula that we have 4L as our formula, right? Now, we bring down, in the solution, bring down our 4, right? Our 4 times, remember that 4 times L is what gave us 4L, right? So whenever you see 4L, it just means 4 times L, okay? So times L, L here is our 8 centimeters. So 4 times 8 centimeters will give us 32 centimeters, right? Now, how do we show the proof of this? To really prove it, because here we also said, or L plus L plus L plus L is equal to 4L. Now, to prove it, because anywhere, as long as this length here is 8 centimeters, right? As long as we are giving one length of the square 8 centimeters, it means that every other length of this square is equal to 8 centimeters, right? Now, if you think that you want to choose the addition method by going, and that is actually the long method, you can decide to say 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. Now, 8 plus 8 will give us what? 16 centimeters. 8 plus 8 will give us what? 16 centimeters. So 16 plus 16 centimeters is equal to what? 32 centimeters. Quite easily done. It is that simple. Now I'm going to rub off the board, and I want us to take more examples. But now examples, we're going to take one example on rectangle and one example on square in order to bring back, to refresh our memory on what we did last week, okay? So, alright, so we're going to find, our practice question says, find the perimeter of the following figures. first figure here is drawn this way, and here we have 4 centimeters here, and down here we have 10 centimeters. The second figure we have 7 centimeters here. Okay, I have 2 more figures now I'd like us to take. The third figure, here I have 12 centimeters, and here I have 6 centimeters. And the fourth figure, here I have 22 centimeters. So, who can tell me, if you're very observant and you identify your shapes properly, you'll be able to tell that our first figure is a rectangle, right? Good. So we're looking at the solution to all these problems here. How are we able to tell that this is a rectangle? Apart from the fact that it looks like a rectangle, only that it is standing. It's a rectangle that is standing. Now, apart from the fact that it looks like a rectangle, it has a breadth of 4 centimeters and a length of 10 centimeters. And it is only your rectangle that has both the length and the breadth. And the breadth and the length are not equal. We were told that the length is longer than the breadth. So, and in our last class, the perimeter of a rectangle, we're told, is 2L plus 2 breadth, right? That's the formula for our rectangle. Now we have 2. Our length is what? 10 centimeters plus 2 bracket. Our breadth is what? 4 centimeters. Which is 2 times 10 gives us 20 centimeters. Plus 2 times 4 is equal to 8 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter to this particular rectangle is 20 centimeters plus 8 centimeters, which gives us 28 centimeters. Good. Now, for our B, the second figure is actually a square. And we are told that if all sides of the square are equal, that means we are given one side here to be 7 centimeters. It means that every side there will be what? 7 centimeters. And the formula for finding square is 4L. So we have 4 times our L being 7 centimeters. 4 times 7 is what? 28 centimeters. So that's the perimeter of this square. Now C. As our third figure is also a rectangle. You can see that. And our rectangle here has a length of 12 centimeters. Sorry, please. 2L plus 2B. That's the formula for finding a rectangle. So we are told that the length of this rectangle is what? 12 centimeters. So we have 2 into bracket 12 centimeters plus 2 into bracket. Our breadth here is what? 6 centimeters. So we have 6 centimeters in bracket. So 2 times 12 will give you what? 24 centimeters. Plus 2 times 6 will give you what? 12 centimeters. Therefore, 24 plus 12 is going to give you what? 36 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter to our second rectangle and our third figure on the board is what? 36 centimeters. Now let's take the fourth one. The fourth one is also a square. The figure here is a square. And the length of this square is 22 centimeters. And we are told that all sides of the square are equal. If all sides of the square are equal, we have 4L. I need to write it properly. 4L. So we have 4 times length being 22 centimeters. Therefore, 4 times 22 will give you what? 88 centimeters. Thus, the perimeter to this particular figure is 88 centimeters. That will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, children. See you in the next class. Bye.